Are you looking for top-notch reverse engineering services in Faridabad City, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to provide you with outstanding solutions. With their expertise and experience in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of reverse engineering services that cater to various industries and sectors. From automotive to aerospace, they have the knowledge and skills to deliver exceptional results. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of reverse engineering in today's competitive market. They know that businesses need to stay ahead of the game by constantly improving their products and processes. That's why they offer comprehensive reverse engineering services that help clients analyze and understand existing products or components. By using advanced technologies and techniques, they can accurately measure and capture data, allowing them to recreate or enhance the original design. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other reverse engineering service providers is their commitment to quality and precision. They have a team of highly skilled engineers who are dedicated to delivering excellence in every project they undertake. Whether it's creating 3D models, conducting thorough analysis, or optimizing designs for better performance, they ensure that their clients receive nothing but the best. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also values customer satisfaction. They understand that every client has unique requirements and specifications, and they tailor their services accordingly. They work closely with their clients throughout the entire process, from initial consultation to final delivery, ensuring that all expectations are met or even exceeded. Furthermore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is conveniently located in Faridabad City, Delhi, NCR. This strategic location allows them to serve clients not only in the city but also in the surrounding areas. Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Faridabad City, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to amaze you with their exceptional expertise in this field. With their cutting-edge technology and skilled professionals, they offer the best reverse engineering solutions that will leave you astounded. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established themselves as the go-to company for all your reverse engineering needs, and their reputation speaks for itself. When it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is undoubtedly the leader in the industry. They have a team of highly qualified engineers who are well-versed in the latest techniques and methodologies. Whether it's product development, prototyping, or enhancing existing designs, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the knowledge and experience to deliver outstanding results. Their attention to detail and commitment to excellence sets them apart from their competitors. Located in Faridabad City, Delhi, NCR, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is conveniently situated to cater to clients in the region. This strategic location allows them to provide prompt and efficient services to their customers. Whether you're a small startup or a